Hi, Mom.
Hey, Sam, how are you, my dear?
I'm fine. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, darling. Your cousin, Abimbola called last night. She and her husband are coming for Christmas. Isn't that great? Well, I just wanted to make sure you're going to be okay.
Mom, you know how much I love Christmas and how I always wanted to be a December bride. Fortunately, Bimbo beats me to it.
I know and I understand how you feel about it.
Then you can understand why I can't come home this year, right?
Sweetheart, all we have in this life is family. And it's you I worry about. You know, you haven't seen each other since the wedding. And this is a chance for you to move on. I don't want this to come between you and your cousin. We are the only family she has.
Think about this, Mom.
All I'm asking is for you to come spend the holiday with your family.
Hello? Hello?
Samantha, I can hear you clearly.
Mom, the network is bad.
No, network is not bad. I can hear you.
Christmas is a time of celebration for everyone. Everyone but me. This Christmas isn't exactly how I expected it to be. It all started when my cousin met my boyfriend. Are you?
Nope.
Come in. Bimbo! How are you?
I'm fine.
What? I didn't know you were back.
That was the plan now to surprise you.
Oh my god, it's such a surprise. Babe, this is Bimbo, my cousin.
I thought I had met all your family members.
Well, I have been away. I just moved back a few days ago.
Are you back for good?
Yes, I am.
Where were you?
I was in Rio, then Calabar, then Bielsa. I've just been busy touring the South.
Means you're a traveler. I love to travel too.
Oh, you don't say.
He does. Both of you have that in common.
Why are you back in Lagos?
Okay, I decided. I made a decision. I am here to finally start my business.
For real?
Yes, for real.
Finally!
Yes, finally.
Talking about being in the right place in the right time. I am a financial advisor. I think I fit in perfectly.
Oh.
More like square pegs and square holes.
Look, I could really need all the financial advice I can get. That's if you don't mind.
No, of course not.
Do you mind, babe?
No.
I wouldn't mind. Thank you.
Great.
You're welcome.
Bimbo, let me make you something to eat. Of course. Still your favorite?
You sure?
Babe, come in.
Oh, Sam, I've missed you so much.
You right?
Yeah.
And where again?
No. So I used my hand and scratched the wall.
Okay, guys, food is ready.
It hurt. Really.
Guys, food is ready.
And I was wearing heels. You can imagine, like 6 inches. It was a crazy situation. Yeah, thank you.
Long story short, they got married this December. Now, you see why there's a crack on this Christmas? Abimbola and I were very close. So her betrayal hurts deeper than that of an enemy. How can I possibly sit in the same room with two people who betrayed my trust.
Babe, but are you seriously considering not spending Christmas with your family? All because of your ex?
See, it was bad enough I had to attend the wedding. How do I face my whole family, knowing they'll be there?
Maybe you can come spend Christmas with my family.
I don't understand. What's more embarrassing than spending the Christmas with your family when all my family members will be in Lagos?
Were you not the one that just said now you don't want to spend Christmas with your family? Yeah, or because you are avoiding your cousin and Andy?
You know what I said, okay? I know. Do you know what's more annoying? Everybody coming home this Christmas has somebody. I'm telling you, everybody. It's either they're coming with their husband or their boyfriends. Even Auntie Becky. She has a man and she's bringing him home this Christmas. So I'll be the only single Pringle in their midst. Not fair on me now.
Look, I need you to stop comparing yourself to others, okay?
I'm not comparing myself to anybody. It's just... Do you know I don't even go on Instagram anymore? I can't stand the thought of another happy couple. Whether it's Chivita or Chivido or whatever. Anyway, I'm happy for them.
Are you?
Hello, sis.
Hello, sis. Why haven't you called Tega's friend, Derek? Look, Christmas is just 3 weeks away. Call him.
Fine. How do I even bother picking these calls? I feel like I'm just punishing myself sometimes. Does she want now? Hi, Mom.
Why are you ignoring your mother's call, Samantha?
I'm not. The network was bad.
Well, I want to know if you're bringing a +1 home this time.
Mom, it's just Christmas.
Your favorite holiday?
Well, I'm not sure I'm coming this year.
Why won't you come home this Christmas? Is it because of your cousin and
Mommy,
her
don't
husband?
start, please. See, I have a lot of work to do.
Okay, Samantha, you are an assistant. That's not even a real job.
Okay, Mom. Bye. Take care of yourself, okay?
Listen there, I know it can get lonely, but spending time with family will lift your spirit.
Mom, I think there's somebody at the door. Yeah, I'll call you back.
I hope it's the man you are bringing home.
Why? Why, Auntie? Why? What does she have that I don't? Does she have that so special?
Hey.
Hey.
Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
But you don't look okay.
I'm not. Everybody just keeps breathing down my neck to come home with a man. As if they kept a man somewhere for me to bring.
Sam, I think you're being too hard on yourself.
Try being the only single person in your family. Which is like every time I walk into a room, I'm showered in a sea of glances. Sad glances. Why can't a single woman be happy? Eh? Is it a crime to be single?
Because you're actually not happy.
But I'm happy.
Are you?
Not really.
You know what? Human beings are not supposed to be alone on the holidays. We need companionship. We need warmth in our life.
Thank you so much, my dear friend, for reminding me once again that I'm single. Okay, my trousers.
You know what? Give me your phone. Where is your phone? Hand it over.
What are you doing?
What you're too chicken to do. Look, if you really want a shot at love, all you need in your life right now is Bambi app.
Of course I want a shot at love. But which one is Bambi again?
Wait. You've never heard of Bambi app?
No.
Oh my God. Look, that is where you will find the eligible bachelors. The rich and the ones that will love up on you.
Uju, how do you know all these things?
Are you not on social media? Look at this girl. Let me show you. Okay, so right now, all I have to do is download the app and sign in.
What's this whole...
You have a match!
How? Is that how fast it works?
Oh my God! Because right now, you're not gonna have that pathetic look.
I never said pathetic. I said sad glances. There's a difference.
Whatever.
Is that how this whole thing works?
Yes. You know what? You know how musicians hire ghostwriters to write their songs? That is how I will be writing your messages.
Oh, hell no.
Hell yeah. 2 heads are better than 1.
Not your coconut head. My friend, let me see.
Oh my God.
Wait. Is that another match? This Bambi works.
It really does.
Oh,
I'm telling you.
It's quite cute. So, how do I look?
Oh my God, you look gorgeous.
Right? Thank you, babes.
Okay. Before I send you into the wilderness, here are some rules. 1, I always meet them outdoor, where I am more comfortable and in control.
Check.
2, watch out for those traps. You hear me?
Yes, mommy.
Oh
Okay,
my
babes.
God.
I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
All right. I will.
Take care of yourself.
You too.
Good luck.
Thanks, darling.
The micro dating guys
aka the flirters. It's when a man has all the sauce, but he is sharing the flavor with others.
That's easy. I can spot that one.
Him? What? You picked the last time and it was a disaster. So I'm picking this time. Him. It's a match! Come on now, but he's cute. He's his white goatee.
I don't see anything. Watch out for the love bombers. It's what I like to call them. They are always doing the most. It's always too much. Way too much.
Okay. Yes, it's a match. Wait, let me look at it. Let me see again. Ooh, I love it.
It's cute. It's so much.
Finally.
And there is the textationship. People who engage in an entire relationship via text messages.
Hey!
Hey.
Who are you texting?
Paul?
Really? Date number 3.
Look, I have told you that you can't build a relationship via testing.
Give me back my phone.
You just have to learn the hard way.
I heard that.
You were meant to hear it.
Such a pessimist. This isn't funny. Stop laughing.
It is. Did I not warn you? See, guys like that are only interested in their device and not a real relationship.
This is so exhausting. Why can't I find just one normal guy?
But you know what? We can't give up now.
Me, I've given up already. I know what you're talking about.
Okay. At least we know the magic word.
Failure.
My turn.
Yeah, whatever. It's going to be another epic fail. Why bother?
Look, I promise you, if this fails, Makachukwu will marry you.
You and who? Ta.
You and I.
My God. Should I just call Derek? Oh no. Derek's friend.
Wait, I don't get this. You want to go out with your sister's husband's friend? Is that it? Good.
Pick.
Yes. yes.
Okay. Get it. Not bad. Nice abs.
Abs carry you come this up.
Leave me dry. I need somebody that is,
Hey, he's gonna go find
good looking. Oh, here it is. Jude?
Yes.
Oh, thank God. I thought you were that short guy over there. I mean, don't get me wrong. He's cute and all, but our kids will be short.
I believe my pictures on my profile.
Well, in my defense, you guys like to catfish sometimes, so.
Please sit.
Thank you.
I did the honors to order a cocktail for you. I believe you're a cocktail girl.
Okay. Thank you. Strong opening. Ordering for a lady. I like it. Nice.
You're welcome.
So, any kids?
No.
Wife? Or girlfriend?
No.
You're a very fine man. Are you sure you don't have a girlfriend?
You know what? No.
Okay, I'm sorry. I know, I was being rude.
No, I mean, actually it's a no. It's my automatic out.
I'm sorry, automatic what?
Yeah, my automatic out. I mean, in case you want to leave or I want to leave, no harm, no hard feelings.
Come on now. I thought we were vibing.
Vibing?
Yeah, haven't you gone on a blind date before?
Well, we've just barely been here 5 minutes and you're already spitting kids and wife and girlfriend.
I wasn't talking about us getting married. Come on, chill. We were just talking in general. I need to know what I'm getting myself into.
Listen, Samantha. I'm sure you're a great woman, but this is a bad timing for me.
Well, it's bad timing for me too. You want to know why? Because I've had months and dates from hell. My ex got married to my cousin and I had to attend the wedding just to prove to everybody that I was fine with it. And you want to know what happened when the pastor asked if anybody was in the congregation who wanted to stop these two from being joined in holy matrimony? Do you want to know? Everybody turns to me. Do you know how that felt? Do you? And now, I have to go back home for Christmas with a man. Yes, because that's what the family expects of me. So I'm stuck on dates with douchebags like you and just wondering what my life will turn into. You can take your automatic out and shove it. He just made it seem like I was proposing to him. What's funny?
Wait, you rambled to a guy on the first date, about marriage and children.
See, I knew I shouldn't have said it. But in the moment, I just felt like I should say it, you know? I just wanted to go there.
Ah.
Yeah.
You should say it.
I just wanted to know if he was available or not.
Look, sis. There are things you say when you want a man. And there are things you say when you have the man. Haba, not going to tell him about children and marriage from the first date.
See, this whole dating thing, it's too embarrassing. I'm tired.
Look, okay, there's always a silver line. So why don't we just chill a little bit about this guy stuff and discuss how we want the Christmas to be like?
Fine. I'll just see. I'll take a break from the whole dating thing. I'll let my ovaries rust.
Your ovaries? Hey, God. Look, I'm just saying that I know you need a guy to take home. Why don't you just take me instead? Yes, I'm aware I'm not a guy and we are not dating. But I can be a shield. You know now.
Do you think I should call Derek? See, Uju, I'm just desperate, okay? I need a man to take home. I don't care if he's my cocky in-law's friend. How can I find a man? No. Should I call? What if he already has plans for Christmas? Okay.
Hello?
Derek?
Yes? Who's this?
Hi, it's Samantha.
Who?
Tega's sister-in-law.
Right, you are the designer, right?
Yeah, Samantha. I thought Grace mentioned that I'll be calling to you.
Oh, come on, I am just messing with you.
No. Look, she thought we might have a connection or something. But yeah, I see this as a mistake. You know what? Never mind. Sorry I called.
I don't think most blind dates are creepy. Nah, I don't think so.
Right? Yeah. I don't think blind dates are crappy either. I mean, you show up, no connection, and you have an out. You just leave.
No, it shouldn't.
Look, as I'm calling you right now, I literally have no feelings for you. Okay? I don't care.
Can I call you back, please?
Sure. Oh, this one. Whatever. I'm gonna call you. Hi, Mom.
Your voice sounds better today.
I'm better and blessed.
I haven't heard from you in 2 days. You know how worried I can be about you?
Mommy, I'm fine. You worry too much.
Okay, as usual. Better call me back. It's urgent. Alright?
I'll be home in 2 days. Okay, bye, Mommy.
Samantha? Oh. What? Just hear me out, okay? I tried reaching you that evening and for some reason I
deleted my profile.
I thought as much. Look, I know I was being...
A jerk?
Okay, slow down on the name calling.
Oh, but that's what you want.
I thought about it. It's just for Christmas, right?
What are you talking about?
I will be your man for Christmas. Look, you desperately need a man to take home. I, on the other hand, I have nothing to do during the holiday, so I can be your man. You're lucky.
Okay.
Can I think about it?
Oh, now you want to think about it?
Okay, yes, I thought about it.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. You were doing something inside?
Yes, but let me give you my number.
Number aside that, I need you to tell me more about your family, because I need to know how many brothers, how many sisters.
I have a terrible in-law.
Okay, I'm listening. I can't. Tell me. Whoa! All right. No, it's good news. I'm excited, sweetheart. Okay, darling. All right, thank you. Thank you. I have good news. Samantha is coming home for Christmas.
This is good news.
Yes, it is.
Mommy, I love this. I am so happy for her.
Yes.
And I am praying that this time around, if she's coming back, she should come with a good man. And the man of her dreams, like she tells my wife. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Not my knee.
Well, it's always a great time when family gets together. I'm actually looking forward to catching up with everyone.
I can't wait to meet the whole family.
Yes. Well, it's going to be hilarious. Trust me.
Yes, it's going to be very hilarious, and I'm already feeling it. How?
Well, Samantha was dating.
Not by my wife. That was a slip of tongue. She's just trying to pull our legs.
You know, two of you are very unbelievable and embarrassing.
So,
Mommy. What is your problem? Are you the one that started it? You cannot keep going. It's not you that started it.
what are they talking about?
My family is full of drama.
Yeah, I can tell. It's fine.
Must you say anything? Must you say anything? You started this thing. Whatever to the system, you say things you're not supposed to say.
Well, I can be your plus one. No.
No need for that. I already have a plus one. Jude.
Jude, kwa.
Yes, nah.
Who the hell is Jude?
The automatic out guy now. See you.
Wait. Didn't he? I don't understand.
I know. See, it's a long story. I don't have energy to go into details now. Okay, I'll gist you later.
Hey. Samantha Jibola.
Should I take this dress?
You never cease to surprise me. And I mean surprise.
Would you talk? Should I take this dress? Yes or no?
Automatic out.
You'll be fine. Yeah? You'll be fine. I'm taking it, whether you like it or not.
Automatic out guy.
Babe, you should be happy for me.
I am. Am I not happy?
That's the spirit.
Hey. You should not
I can't wait to see
automatic
the
out
look on that bimbo's face when I show up with Jude.
Hey, okay. I'm waiting for the gist.
The Lord has done it finally.
Christmas gist.
Finally.
The Lord has done it finally. Automatic out guy.
Stop. I haven't seen them since the wedding.
Hey, come on. You look stunning.
You don't have to flatter me.
haven't seen any of them since the wedding.
I understand. Let me get the bags.
What's wrong? What's happening?
Samantha is here. She came with a very tall, handsome man.
Are you serious?
She said yes. Hey,
Hi, mommy.
Oh my goodness. Welcome, my darling. Look at you.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day, sweetheart. You're welcome. Good to see you. Good to see you. Look good.
What's going on here? I heard some voices while in the kitchen.
Sam is here.
Samantha! Come! You're looking so beautiful. Honey, who is the young man here?
Samantha's guest.
Oh, you mean Samantha's boyfriend? What's wrong with your eyes? Is anything happening? Oh, sorry. So you mean that's Samantha's boyfriend?
My name is Jude. I'm her boyfriend.
He just said he is her boyfriend.
Oh, why haven't we heard anything about him?
They brought the goat.
Oh, they have? Okay, perfect.
Andy, it's good you are here. Meet Samantha's boyfriend.
Oh. Andy.
Oh, you are her ex?
You are her new boyfriend?
Yes, Jude.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Oh, I can see you both are really a couple.
Yes, we are. And we couldn't be happier.
It's just that I'm a little bit surprised because I didn't peg you for one to settle.
Who says I'm settling?
Oh, what I'm trying to say is because you never told anyone first here that you have a boyfriend.
Tega, what matters is that Samantha is finally happy. Can we move on?
Congratulations.
Thank you. We met and we just clicked. It felt so right.
Ever since we met each other, we've not been able to separate from each other.
Wow.
So for how long have you guys been dating?
2 months.
2 months or 4 months, which is it?
Actually, it's been 4 months since we met, but officially 2 months since we started dating.
Ooh, amazing.
I'm happy for you.
That sounds really serious.
Yes, it is very serious. We're actually engaged.
Oh, wow.
You're engaged?
You sound surprised.
Oh my goodness, that's an exciting news. Well, your mom is proud of you. I am super proud of you. Congratulations.
Thanks, mommy.
Oh, sweetie. Sweet. Wow. Tell me.
Sama. Sam.
What?
Where is your engagement ring? My wife and I have been dying to see your engagement ring since both of you are already engaged.
Yes, Sam, we want to see your ring.
Yes.
So, it's a very long story. Jude got me the biggest rock in the history of rocks. Like, it was so big that
I was doing laundry the other day and it fell off my finger. And he had to take it back to the jeweler to, refit. And funny enough, when he brought it back, it was too small. It was a size too small, yeah. So he had to take it back again to, make it perfect. So yes, he will get it back in 2 days' time.
2 days?
Mm-hmm. Amma, you want something to drink? Andre? You sure?
That Tega is a really funny dude, I swear.
Should be comfortable there.
Are we having our first fight? Alright, I'm sorry. I thought I was saving the day.
No, you were not. You just made an already bad situation even worse. God, what I wouldn't give to be poor engaged Samantha.
So what are you saying? That the engagement is called off?
This is serious.
Alright, probably tell them the truth tomorrow.
And what is the truth?
Maybe I was carried away. Maybe I had too much to drink.
Of course. You had too much to drink because you actually can't tell them the real reason. It's because you feel sorry for me.
Come, I thought I was your guest. Aren't I supposed to be the one on the bed and you on the couch?
Sam. Samantha. 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 Thank goodness you're up.
Good morning, Sam.
Samantha. Both of you are family, okay? And it's forever. We'll have breakfast to make. Let's go to the kitchen and make something, all right? Come on, let's go. She's going to be your cousin forever, no matter how much you frown. Let's go. Sam, I've been meaning to ask, why didn't you tell us about Jude?
I just met him. I wanted to know more about him.
You're engaged to this man. I mean, we were talking on the phone, you never even mentioned him for once.
I was waiting for the perfect time.
Perfect time? Love doesn't have a perfect timing. It doesn't. And this is where family judgment comes in, so. Well, what do you think about him? You like?
Mom, why are you asking her? It's not like she has a say in my life or my relationship.
Okay, so tell us, what do you know about this man?
Everything I need to.
Fair enough. But can we at least address the elephant in this room?
What elephant?
You know you and Bimbo are very close right from when you were growing up.
That was a lifetime ago, I beg.
People thought both of you were twins. You shared everything. Clothes, toys.
We didn't share our boyfriends.
Sam, growing up, we were really friendly and outgoing. Everybody wanted to be your friend. I, for one, wanted to grow up being you.
So you got jealous of me and stole my man?
I couldn't feel any worse, Sam, if that helps. Please.
You know I had no one to talk to, right? Even Mom, I couldn't put her in the middle.
Samantha, Bola is your cousin. She's family. She's been living with us since her parents passed. I love her too. Just like my own, okay? This is family. When we wrong each other, we forgive. That's what we do. Okay? She's wrong, alright, but then she's sorry.
Sam, I want to be family again. Please.
I think Jude is awake.
Do you think she will ever forgive me?
These two made big progress today. She said something. That's huge. Come on, let's do breakfast, alright?
Okay.
I do not just pretend not to see.
Smelly. I love you, darling. I just want to tell you how much I love you.
Tell me more.
What can I express how much I love you? What can I express how much I love you? You know the one to me. You're my light in the dark.
What are you two talking about?
That concerns you.
Okay. Good morning.
Come, everybody listen, oh. I know for sure that Sam is hiding something.
Sam, like what?
Wonderful couple. So, tell me, Jude, how did both of you meet?
Crazy story. So we met at the
My office.
yes.
Yeah. Jude here actually came to see my boss. And I saw him and we just clicked.
Wow, you just saw him and both of you clicked. An amazing story. Wow. What a beautiful love story. You know, this story reminds me of the story of Hawa and James.
Are those another cousin of yours?
No, it's a movie, Scarlet.
Oh yes, Hawa and James. I remember.
Yeah.
So that is us. That's our love story.
Yes. Yes.
Have you seen the movie?
Scarlet, of course, I have seen it. It's a story about Scarlett and Hawaii, James.
Don't tell me that both of you are trying to get married and you don't know her favorite movie of all time.
Does anybody want wine?
Yeah, I will.
I do.
Okay, I'll get a bottle.
Oh, it's a chilled one.
Yes. Jesus. Grace. Are you trying to give me a heart attack?
What's going on?
What do you mean?
Your kindergarten teacher knows you better than that guy.
Fine. We're not really engaged.
Tega was right. And I hate it when he's right. But why, Samantha? What are you trying to prove?
Nothing. Nothing. And it wasn't my idea. You have to believe me.
If you're being honest.
This is... must admit it's not that bad, is it?
I know that look.
What look?
Don't tell me you're beginning to have feelings for that guy.
No. Ew.
Ew. At least for once, be honest to yourself. Why do you keep building up lies? Why?
I always do that, don't I?
Sorry. And then, what about Jude?
See, with Andy, I knew we were drifting apart already, right? But Jude, I don't know, sis. All I know is I don't want to get hurt again. Like, ever. I don't think my heart can take it.
Have you two had the chance to speak?
No.
I hate to be the guy that comes between two of you.
It's not your fault, babe.
I know. I just want things to go back the way they used to be.
Well, things are coming together, that I can tell.
I like that. And I love you.
I love you too.
I have no regrets.
Me neither.
Has anyone seen Amaris?
No.
I feel so sorry for her. Just because she wants to settle down. She's just belittling herself, jumping from one man to... Who is pressuring her? Now wow. This is one. Wait.
Well, do you think Derek is still available?
Of course he should. Let me even call him.
Please do.
Of course I will call him. Just because Samantha wants a man. He just wants to be jumping from one man to the poor.
Every reputus and competition.
Honey? Babe? Oh, there you are. Honey, I want to quickly have my shower. Come help me rub my back, okay? Come, babe.
Just that boy is a pathetic liar. Look at him, looking like a gigolo. See, you have to put eye where your sister is also. Maybe he comes to collect your father's property. Yes. Can chest. Maybe a gym master. Yes, now. They will pressing each other inside the room. What do you think?
You should have called Derek, you know.
Look, sis, I'm perfectly happy being single, okay?
If you were, you wouldn't have brought that clown into this house.
You know there are pros to this single life, right? I mean, I can bring whoever I want home. I can do whatever I want, go wherever I want, whenever. Unlike some married people, you have to deal with the whole stress of waxing, shaving, and God knows what else you guys do.
This reminds me of when we were kids. All the chit chats, you know. Sam, it's weighing me down. I'm sorry. I feel terrible that we're not speaking. Please talk to me.
Look, Bimbo, I want to talk to you. Really, I do. But I'm just not there yet. Okay? Give me some time.
How is it going with two of you?
It's a work in progress, I guess.
At least there's progress. It's okay. Why do you have that smirk on your face?
Oh, I didn't know. I think it's the hammer time.
Okay, sis. Which one doesn't scream poor, desperate, angry Samantha?
This one actually screams, what was under thinking?
Right?
Yeah.
This
Okay.
one is then.
Mm-hmm. So I just want to give you a heads up, okay? Tega called Derek and he's coming for Christmas.
What does that have to do with me?
I know you called him and he blew you off.
It's okay, sis. I don't care. I don't care about Derek blowing me off or even Jude making a bad situation worse. I'm happy spending time with my family. Honestly. I'm happy. I'm done chasing men.
Okay, well, Mom thinks you're engaged.
That's true.
It's not funny.
Oh God, Jude. I'll find the perfect time to tell her the truth. I will.
Sis, look, why can't you just give him a chance? I think you two might just turn out great.
No, sis. I don't need a man to define me. You know I've spent my entire adult life chasing after men. It's time I focus on me now. Now it's about Samantha, nobody else. You should be proud of me.
Okay. For Samantha, let's focus on Samantha. Anything for Sammy?
Yes.
Copy, sis.
Who is it?
Hi, I'm Derek. I'm here for the launch invitation. I hope I'm not too early.
I'm Samantha.
Oh, Samantha.
Oh.
Hi,
Hi.
girls. How you doing?
Hi.
So good to see you.
Yeah, so you two have met.
Yeah.
I think we are out of salad dressing. So
Yes,
can anybody
Sam can go get it.
Okay, that's fine.
And Derek
Good day,
can
ma'am.
even
Oh,
drive
okay.
her to the
Hi.
place.
Okay, he's going to drive her. I hope it won't be much trouble driving my daughter to the grocery store.
Oh, no, not at all, ma.
Okay,
It's fine by me.
You go and buy it, right? Okay, good. Okay.
I'll just
Thank
get my
you.
purse.
It's
Okay,
fine.
that's fine. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
Yeah.
So tell me what you think.
Well, she looks prettier in person.
Perfect.
Yes.
So I'll help you with this.
Okay. See you around.
Yeah,
Rather
I'll get
love
your room ready.
Sure.
Easy.
After you, please. It's open. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I should have.
It's okay. You don't have to. It's weird, you know.
Yeah, it is. I should have called you. I was.
It's fine. Really. You don't have to explain yourself to me. Can we not talk about that, please? Let's talk about something else.
Definitely. What do you like to do for fun?
I'm a big movie girl. I like to watch movies, yes.
Me too.
Really?
I'm a sucker for classic feel-good Christmas movies.
What?
Yeah. And also Nigerian movies from Dolly Signature TV.
What?
They have a way of...
Stop
capturing the
it.
heart. I'm serious. I love it. Is that what you love too?
I do. I love it. Have you seen Scarlett?
Oh no, please don't remind me about Scarlett. I love that movie so much. I can see that movie over and over again.
No.
I'm serious. Again, I love it.
I can't wait for Violet to come out. It's
Me
on my
too.
watch list.
For real?
No kidding.
Well, maybe we could see it together.
Oh,
Is that fine?
that would be nice.
We seem to have a lot in common.
We do.
I love movies a lot. Dolly Signature TV, amazing.
They
channel.
have the best
Amazing
films.
channel.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Can I call you Sammy?
I like that.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Sammy it is then.
Thanks again for, driving me.
Oh, no, it's
You didn't have to say yes to my mom.
It's fine. It's fine. It's nothing actually. Come in.
Looking for a love. Where I go away. Oh no. Friends and family. Oh no. Won't buy me with pressure. I don't need this tension from my early cause. I am desperately searching for this love. Looking for a lover. I am desperately. This pressure's too much. I cannot take it anymore. Looking for a love. Where I go away. Oh no. Friends and family. Oh no. Won't buy me with pressure. I don't need is just too much. Oh, I cannot take it anymore.
I'll take this.
Oh, okay.
I have fun today.
I'm glad you did.
Thank you. We're home!
Samantha,
yes.
Did someone die? Why did you stay this long? Why did you stay this long so I can't trust you to go get me something I can use very quickly? What kind of irresponsible lifestyle is this?
Mommy,
you kept me waiting. I almost called the police. I thought you were missing.
There was traffic.
What stupid traffic? Traffic, you just said to get one item. One item. Why would you do that? You kept me waiting and worried. I've been trying to get you on there. You wouldn't even take your calls. What level of stupidity is that? Just kept me waiting. Just one single item. One.
Hey.
Jesus! Are you guys trying to kill me in this house?
No, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to startle you.
It's fine.
Okay. Sam, I've been waiting on you waiting on you to forgive me like my life depends on it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you. That is not my intention. I've never ever meant you hurt. I'm sorry. I just fell in love. The intention was not to lose you. I miss us. I miss how we are, how we gossip, how we literally tell each other everything. I'm sorry, I beg. Please. Sam.
It's fine.
What?
I forgive you.
Thank you. Thank you. Sam, you just touched me. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. This is like a relief. You don't know. Look, our relationship means more than you think to me. I swear it. I've not been able to breathe without thinking of you and how you will feel when I'm breathing without you. I'm sorry. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I mean, it's like Mom said, we're family, right? Not like I can get rid of you any moment anyway, so yeah, it's fine. Let's just enjoy this Christmas, okay?
That's one I like.
Okay, enough!
I miss you.
I miss you too.
You know, I think that we ended up where we were meant to be. I don't know. Ended up with the right people, how it was supposed to be. I don't know. Maybe.
I guess so.
I know so. Sam, he feels terrible. And he really wants to talk to you.
See, you I can forgive, but him?
But he comes with the package. Please.
Fine, I'll think about it.
Okay, so what do you need me to do? I'm at your service.
Let's fix it.
Sam,
Yes,
I'm
Mama.
very proud of you, sweetheart. I'm happy that you've forgiven your cousin. Forgiveness is not easy. I'm happy.
No, it's not, Mom. Especially after all the anger and resentment.
Thank you.
Maybe he wasn't even the right guy for me.
Right. Oh yeah, you could say that.
Heads up! Please, always put down the toilet seat. We're living in a house filled with women.
I know, that's always very difficult for men to learn.
It's not funny. I don't like it.
I'm sorry. I know, I'm sorry. Moving on. Okay, so now that Abimbola and Samantha are making progress, like you can see, you know, this holiday we're going to just enjoy ourselves like the old times, you know, and who knows, maybe Samantha will start planning her wedding.
Mom, it's too late for a December wedding now.
Who's talking about December wedding? There's January, there's February, there are months in the coming year.
Mommy! You know, I actually forgot how great your chicken tastes.
Samantha, so you mean both of you haven't talked about the wedding?
Oh, of course we have. We've talked about it a lot, right? We're thinking August?
August, perfect. Yeah,
nice.
August.
Amazing.
Anybody wants wine?
I do.
You make my daughter really happy. You know, she's forgiving. Look at her.
She's never been like this before. I'm super excited. I'm happy that you are in her life.
I'm glad I'm in her life too.
Hope I'm not overbearing, but the truth is, I have great ideas for wedding. You can ask them.
Mommy, we don't have a date yet.
Oh well, but a mother can dream. I mean, why not?
Of course, Mom, you can. I can call you Mom, right? Since I'm going to be part of this family.
Sorry. Are you okay?
Sorry.
Careful.
Thank you.
Look, I have a wedding planner that can introduce both of you to.
Mom!
Okay. Am I being too pushy?
Yes.
Yeah, I will go with him. I'm not pushy.
No, not at all.
You know, weddings. Yeah, I love weddings.
That is if there will even be a wedding.
Shut up, Tega. Keep quiet. And why are you covering your face?
Andre, all right, let's go. That's my boy. That is kind of one point in the making. Oh.
What's up?
Let me play with my son. I'll put it back.
It's fine.
Wow, that's kind of one point in the making.
Hi.
Hi. I'm just relaxing here.
Yeah, I love this place. This is like my spot in the whole house.
So, you're engaged?
That's a long story.
I have all the time in the world.
Just know what you think.
Look, I was supposed to call you, I know, but I...
Oh, please, no. Don't worry about it.
Hey, babe. There you are. Come. I have this funny story I want to tell you. You good? You sure? There you are. Been looking for you. Is this moron disturbing you?
Sorry?
This clown, is he disturbing you?
I'm impressed. I mean, it's not every day you get to see a clown to insult. By the way, we haven't officially met. I am Derek.
I'm Derek. Well, I am Jude, her fiancé, and you need to know when to back off. See, this is my time now, okay? And she's my property for the holiday.
Excuse you? Okay. You need a mint and a clue.
okay? I'm not real estate.
Look, this is your family house, I get it, but I am the man here. It's as simple as that.
Hey, man. What's your turn?
Or what? I'm Derek. Huh? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Huh?
Seriously?
Babe, I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry.
Get your hands off me!
Sorry, babe. See what you cost? This is your fault.
Hey, Sammy.
Hey. I'm sorry I lost my cool back there. Everyone just thinks I have it all together, you know? Truth is, I don't even know what I'm doing half of the time.
Who does? No one has it all together. Nobody. And if anyone our age thinks otherwise, then that person must be living in denial. I'll tell you what. I am an accountant that hates numbers. You get right? An accountant that hates numbers. Hey, you have to be okay. Feel any better?
Ow.
What's that? Wait, you didn't eat that food?
No.
Ah, okay. I'll make you a plate.
Thank you.
I'll be back. I didn't call you then because I just had a breakup. And I'm not supposed to see anyone until I'm totally healed.
You don't have to explain yourself to me.
I like you. I like you a lot.
I like you too.
You do. But you're engaged.
I'm not.
You're not?
Not really.
Are you serious?
I remember you every time I'm alone. Can never forget you every time I'm alone. Trying to get back, but feelings just won't let me be. Trying to get back, but feelings just won't let me be.
Hey, good morning.
What are you doing?
I made you breakfast beautiful. Yeah.
Why?
Why? Hold it. Come on. I know that this isn't real. I mean us. But I'm willing to give us a chance. I want us to work.
I'm not there yet.
Samantha, you told a guy you liked him. Look, I don't mind. Alright? I know what you need. You need a man to sweep you off your feet. And I want to be that guy. Will you marry me, Samantha?
What are you doing?
I mean, not immediately. We can just start dating. I mean, for real. I want us to work. Okay?
Can we just take it slow?
I'm going for a jog. Alright?
Okay.
God, can this day get any worse?
Samantha, see, I just want to talk, okay? I didn't mean to hurt you.
Then why did you?
Just that you always wanted the best of me, and it was a lot for me to handle.
I'm sorry for putting pressure on you.
No, it's okay. I'm just that.
Just that what?
We never really took time to know each other.
We dated for 2 years. 2! And you and Bimbo for what? 2 months? And you married her?
A lot of times we're always out of sync. See, Samantha, I just want you to forgive me.
Please. Forgive him. Forgive us.
Forgive us, please.
Were you there the entire time?
Yes.
Samantha, see, I'm so sorry. We are so sorry.
Sam. Thank you in anticipation. You think it worked?
I am super glad that we could all be here together. I mean, despite all the challenges, everybody just gathered here, looking all good under the same roof. It feels good. I'm super grateful. I'm happy.
Yeah. It was a trying year.
I know.
Well, I guess it was worth it. I'm glad I'm here. I mean, I wouldn't trade it for anything else in the world.
I know.
I've looked forward to this day for months. You know, setting up the tree.
I know.
Baking cookies like we used to do when we were kids, you know.
I know.
Doing all those things we used to do.
I think that you make the best cookies.
I can't wait for our annual game night.
Of course. That's your favorite.
That's the height.
And she's always losing.
Mommy, don't
Someone is going to still beat her.
Mom, no, don't do that.
Grace, you need to pair with me so you can win. You have to pair with me.
And then watching classic Christmas movies.
I know. She's such a lover girl. I know. Anyway, I'm grateful. Yeah. Because this is like the best time of the year. Like every time, this time of the year brings just the best of memories. I know. It's just amazing.
And your mom is going to be proud of the woman you have become. Look at you.
Yellow pawpaw.
My twin. Christmas, it's
Auntie
just
Bess,
a
I'm your
beautiful
twin,
time.
right?
Yes.
Oh, people look alike.
Yes.
What the
We're triplets. Since we're triplets. I missed you.
I missed you too, Sammy.
Welcome, my darling.
Thank you.
But wait, I thought you'd be in the East by now.
I miss all this drama going on in my best friend's life. You're not serious. Never.
You like Africa too much, this girl.
Hi. That guy is so fine. Who is he?
That's Derek.
Wait. Derek as in
Tega's
the
friend.
Derek.
Tega's friend Derek, that's him.
How?
Close your mouth, Joe.
I'm closing it.
Close your mouth.
I'm hot. Jesus Christ.
Stop, Joe. Seriously. I'm glad you're here.
I'm glad too.
I need advice, babe.
Sam, advice on what? Hope it's not about that your cousin that you forgive, eh? That backstabbing cousin of yours.
Okay, Joe. It's not about Bimbo.
Then what is it?
It's more complicated.
What is it?
I'm in love with two guys.
Wait, not one, two. Hey. Inukwa. Sam, how? Who?
It's Jude and Derek.
Derek. Wow. Just wow. How did you get to this?
I don't even know. So ever since we got here, right? Jude has been so nice. You know? Let's not forget, he left everything he was doing to come and save a very bad situation with my family. And he even proposed to me.
And how did I not know about that?
He didn't accept his ring.
What?
I know. And to think that just a couple of days ago, I was looking for a man to bring home. And now I have two.
Okay, so tell me, what do you like about Derek?
Okay, so Derek is really sweet. And he gets me. We're like two peas in a pod.
Wow. My friend, this is a big one.
I know.
Hey.
What am I going to do?
What are you going to? I don't know. Ha.
Advise me now. You always have an answer to everything.
Okay. You know what I think? Sam. Okay, Sam, I think you should try and resolve this whole thing. I wouldn't like it, you being in between them like this. You need to relax and think about what you want and who you want to be with.
I'm already in the middle of the chaos, like literally in the middle.
God. Can't well be this one. But seriously.
I am Derek. You sure do need a paycheck. Anyways, thank you.
For
sweeping in and saving the day. I heard you took her to the supermarket.
It was nothing.
Of course it was nothing. You are really trying too hard to be the Superman in this story, huh?
More like a placeholder. I think you understand how that feels, right?
You know what? I'm not here for any of this passive-aggressive talk. Why are you here? Why are you really here? You think you can come out from nowhere and she will fall in love with you? You are really trying so hard, aren't you? Huh?
For someone who I have only met briefly, you seem to think you know a lot about me.
What's going on here?
Nothing. Just stating the obvious. Stay away from my girl.
Okay, that's it. That's it. What was that about?
I don't know.
You sure?
Yeah, Grace, I'm fine. I'm good.
Okay. Where are the kids?
I think they ran through that.
Are you sure there's nothing
sure.
you want to tell me?
I don't know, nothing, I'm fine.
I'm here for you, you know?
It's fine, Grace.
Okay.
Honey, you can't believe what just happened.
What?
I think Jude is threatening Derek over Samantha.
You think? Or you had them?
Okay, I saw them talking. With the look on Jude's face, you can tell. But then I asked Derek and he was like, he doesn't know what that was all about.
What is wrong with that guy called Jude? Eh? They're not even real couples.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, this whole Samantha being single thing is just causing chaos and creating a complex love triangle.
So what do you think? Who do you think will win? Because I'm betting my money on Derek.
Well, I'm all for Derek, okay? But I think Jude is falling in love with her. If not, why will he pick a fight over Samantha?
But you know we are on Derek's side, aren't we?
100%.
Very good. Let us keep our fingers crossed and sit and wait and see what will happen last.
Hands crossed.
Yes. Oh.
too like amebo.
No, you are not an amebo number one. You came here to do the amebo to me. It's good to do amebo.
Back shortly. I need to fix something. I won't waste out.
You should watch where you're walking to.
Okay. Guys, please no need to fight, okay? There are better ways to handle this. Please don't do this, okay? Please let peace reign. You're adults. Thank you.
Why is he fighting him?
Jude! You know, this is your fault, right?
How?
If you hadn't abandoned her for her cousin, we wouldn't be here.
Excuse me?
Excuse you? Shouldn't her cousin be your business? You're separating fight. He should come and fight.
How is he connected?
Why is he fighting him?
I don't know.
Jerry.
Adana, 1 month is too much.
Mom, please.
I don't have that power.
Spend time with them and then that's
I don't.
You son of a...
Jesus. What is that? Stop! Stop! Oh my God. Stop. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with both of you? So I'm too small for people to respect me? I was sitting right here, under my roof. This is so disrespectful. If I tell you that I am not disappointed in both of you, I'm lying. I know you have feelings for my daughter, I know. But fighting over a woman is not the solution. Love is a feeling that has to be nurtured with respect and understanding.
I love your daughter, ma. And I can't stand the thought of losing her too. I am Derek.
I am not going to interfere in this by telling my daughter who or who not to choose. No, I'm not going to do that. Both of you are adults. My daughter is equally an adult. Why don't you sit her down and talk to her? Bare your heart honestly, so that she can know how to choose. She actually has to choose one person. She can't be with two men at the same time. She has to choose who she connects with the more. Okay? Please. Talk to yourselves. I mean, you people are adults. Stop acting like kids. And I hope you heard what I said. Because that thing that happened here shouldn't repeat itself. It's wrong on all levels. Please.
Okay, ma.
I have to go take my drugs. My BP is already high.
Mom? Yeah? Auntie Bex? I have something to tell you guys.
Are you okay?
Mommy, please don't be mad. Jude and I aren't engaged.
You said? What?
Jude just... Auntie Bex!
Samantha, what have you done?
I'm telling you, I was just this second away from killing somebody. You know, everyone thinks that we're engaged. And then from nowhere, this weird guy just came out and he's trying to be all perfect. But where was he? No, where was he when she was going online looking for men to date? Where was he when she was going on blind dates? Where was he? You know what it took me for me to be here. You know how much I had to bend for me to be here just to prove myself to her. And she's busy falling for another guy. No, I didn't do all this for me to be the one to lose. No, I did not. Trust me now, trust me. I'll do whatever it takes to make sure that she's mine. Whatever it takes. Exactly, you're right. You're right. I have the family's blessing already. Her mother calls me son. So I'm the son-in-law they know. Leave the rest, I know what to do.
Derek, he poked a nerve. We all saw it. He asked for it.
That is not me. I'll never fight my fellow man over a woman.
Even in your defense, he instigated it. We are all there. He was the one who looked for your trouble.
I know, Otega. I know. But still, I should have been the bigger person. Mrs. Jibola was right after all. I should have spoken to him rather than use my fist.
Derek, you're a very good person. Yes, character-wise. And you are a very perfect suitor for Samantha. No woman in her right senses will choose that stupid guy over you.
So what if she finds out I threw the first punch?
But he pushed you into the pool first, remember?
Yeah.
Derek, I know you care about Samantha deeply. And you are scared that getting physical with Jude will end things the both of you share together. Samantha and I know would not judge you for defending yourself, knowing fully well that everyone saw everything that happened. Come on. Why don't we just hang out and have a drink and maybe a proper soup? Don't calm your nerves. It's nothing. Come on, let's go. Everything is fine. Let's go.
Yeah, sure.
Where is Sam? Not here.
Right here, mommy.
Oh, sweetie.
Ladies and gentlemen, my fiancé.
You can stop now, Jude. We all know both of you are not engaged.
Sammy, you look absolutely breathtaking.
Thank you. I love how you call me Sammy.
You do? Come here. Hey.
It seems like you finally made your choice.
Obviously. Jude. Jude.
Can we talk? I realized who my heart truly belongs to.
Jude, I appreciate everything you did for me. I do. Coming here.
You chose him. You chose I am Derek.
I can't deny the connection we feel. Trust me, this wasn't an easy decision for me. If Derek wasn't in the picture, I promise you, we would be together. But I have to be true to myself. Sorry. Knowing that us was an arrangement from the beginning, I guess that played a part as well.
Sammy. Yes. I'm crazy about you.
Me too.
Are you sure? Then let's make it official.
Okay.
Come
here. Looking for a lover. This pressure's too much. I cannot take it anymore.
You smile so beautiful. So I wonder what I would have done if I didn't come here, if I didn't meet you. I never would forgive myself. I'm glad I did.
Glad you're here too.
Thank you for being so amazing. Thank you for being such a sweetheart. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you. Thank you for your smile. It's priceless. On that note, this is an emergency ring. But I will get you a more befitting ring once I'm out of this place. Because you deserve the best. You know that, right?
Derek, this is the perfect gift.
Yes, it is the perfect gift. I'm glad that I gave you the best Christmas gift. Samantha Chibola, please, will you be the mother of my beautiful unborn kids? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for choosing me. It's part of what I wanted all this while.
Why is everywhere dark?
Yeah, that's true.
Is there nobody in this house? Mom?
Oh, we left it.
Grace?
So I thought it wise to, organize a small engagement party for you guys.
Oh, babes, you didn't have to.
Really?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I can see it, don't cry. I know that mascara is not made of waterproof. Come here. Welcome to the family!
Yes, alright guys. Now we finally have the wedding to come.
Okay, so dancing time.
Yes.
We are giving the floor to the latest couple in the family.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año, felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad.